Hello friends, so what's up? I hope your exams are over. Mine is over. So today we are also going to look upon theory only, simply because many people would have some exams going or they will look for some rest. So you can have some rest. We are just going to look upon a very short video, and it's just upon a theoretical. So before going to another side, please like, share, and subscribe to our video if you like it, and if you don't, you know what you have to do: unsubscribe and just dislike. So I want to ask you something. What is a database? Have you ever thought what is a database? No problem if you don't have. I'm going to tell you. Database is a collection of data. It's simply a collection of data which is shown as a table. It's more like dictionaries key. You know that it uses key and value pair. It uses key and a value pair. So a database is mainly a storage box, which is more like dictionaries. But what's the difference between a dictionary and database? So actually, database stored on a disk or drive or pen drive, you can say, simply because it's a permanent storage. Okay, there are many systems through which you can make database. For example, MySQL and Microsoft SQL and SQLite, SQL. But we are going to look upon SQLite in this and as well as next video. So we are mainly focusing upon SQLite. So before moving upon SQLite, I want to ask you something. This is table. Okay, this is table. These are rows and this is column. But what are its formal names? For example, this is table. What's its formal name? The table formal name is inside Python is relation. Its name is relation, and rows are known as tuples. Tuples. We all know tuples as a comma b. These are tuples. Rows are tuples, and columns are known as attributes. Attributes. For example, Peter is attribute, Griffin is an attribute. Peter, Griffin, they created is whole an attribute. So that's what an attribute. This was the database concept. So we are nearly upon end of this video. Before, I want to tell you that there is a database browser for SQLite. So this is the database browser for SQLite. You can download it, and it's like the same as text editor. You know, we are more formal with text editors, and we are very comfortable by using text editors. So this is what an SQLite editor form. You know, like that. So you can know more about SQLite, which is already download library inside Python over here. This is SQLite homepage, and this is SQLite.org. And what is SQL? SQLite is a C language library that implements a small, fast, self-contained, highly reliable, full-featured SQL database engine. So it's basically an database engine, SQL database engine, where it has small, fast, self-contained, highly reliable, and full-featured things. These are its features. Okay, this is very commonly used, like Firefox also uses. So you can see the why we are using it nowadays. So you can go into more informations and home, about, documentation, download, license, support, purchase, and all that. It's actually just something you have to read, and here you have to download it, and it's free. It's all free. SQLiteBrowser.org. These links will be given inside the description box. So these are not free that we are giving you. We are not saying you even a penny to spend on Python. Yeah. Even I haven't spent a penny since I have learned it, because I've just learned it from all the free resources like you are doing. So I request you not to spend even a penny on all those things, because when you have free things, enjoy them. So I hope you liked this video. This was a very small video upon database. So let's revise what is a database. Database in a is a storage box in which you can store data. It's like more like tables. So table is known as in more formal language relation. Rows are known as in more formal relation tuples. Tuples. And attributes are columns. So I hope we shall end up here. So bye.